Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Saturday, March 5th, and you can see temperatures this morning in the mid to upper 20s. Lots of clouds and snow around. Some areas picking up a couple of inches of snow, anywhere from a trace to about 2 inches of snow, the heaviest across southwest lower Michigan, where there are winter weather advisories for up to 4 inches of snow. Yesterday we talked about this clipper system, how it tends to outperform the models, and the models tend to weaken it a bit too much, but we still expected a pretty weak system overall, with again trace to about an inch, maybe an inch and a half across northern areas, 1 to 2 inches across the south. I mentioned 20-to-1 snowfall ratios might allow for some 3 or 4 inch snowfalls over southwest lower Michigan, and that certainly has been the case, and it has been a little stronger, and thus we got those winter weather advisories. The snow should move out later this afternoon into the evening, and then tomorrow we'll have temperatures in the 30s before we really begin to warm up. As we get into Monday, we'll be up around 50 and well into the 50s for Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe low 60s on Tuesday, which currently looks like it'll be the warmest day. If we put the map into motion across the Great Lakes, you can see pretty consistent temperatures, mainly in the 20s across the area. A little warmer back across the lake. Again, behind this system, there's not any cold air. In fact, it'll be a Pacific surge of air moisture and moisture that'll be coming through the Great Lakes here over the next 24 hours. And if we look at the next screenshot, this is from Houghton Lake. You can see plenty of ice on the lake. That'll be going away as well here over the next 2 weeks. I think we'll see a lot of open water across any area, inland lakes that are frozen. If we look at the climate data for today, you can see for Saturday, March 5th, our normal high is 38, the normal low is 20. And again, as far as yesterday, we had a high of 31, a low of about 12. So a very cold day out there. And again, that might be the coldest day we see until next winter. If we look at the next screenshot, you can see on the satellite, you can see our clipper system across the upper Midwest moving to the southeast and cooling cloud tops, ensuring that that's a pretty good area of lift, and thus the snow will continue for the next several hours. If we look at the next screen, you can see the radar showing that clipper system bringing its snow across much of the MAC area. And again, that'll dissipate here later this afternoon into tonight. You can see on the weather map this morning, we have a low pressure system near South Bend that'll be tracking to the southeast, and that'll again take that snow away from us. And then if we look ahead to Monday, you can see high pressure system will move to the east. We'll have a nice big flow coming out of the southwestern states and then eventually out of the Gulf, and that's going to bring warmer and moisture air into the Great Lakes, and I think we'll have periods of showers beginning as early as Sunday and lasting into at least midweek. And again, with this system off to the west, I think our warmest day will be on Tuesday, when we could crack the 60-degree mark. If we look at the temperatures on the GFS for Tuesday afternoon, you can see lots of mid to upper 50s and even low 60s across southeast lower Michigan. So the GFS model has been coming around closer and closer to the European model, which puts the 60-degree line basically from around the Muskegon area up towards Houghton Lake and then the Alpena. It has 60-degree temperatures anywhere south of that line, and even mid to upper 60s. So again, it looks like a pretty warm day on Tuesday. If we look at the national severe map, you can see the winter weather advisories across the Great Lakes and southwest lower Michigan. But again, not a whole lot going on once you get east of the Rockies. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.